So I'll be showing you how to blend endless rods. So basically let's go to the endless rods first to show my rank currently. This is my current rank 3, so you actually need this loadout, Green Laser, alongside this Vigor, Santa, and Leprechaun. But if you're rich, you can use DJ TV, Green Laser, Leprechaun, Santa, and Speaker Repertoire. This loadout is only for like me. So let's go in the game. But first, you don't need to care about this and this fix. Right over here. Let's go. So let's go into the game right now. So let's pick this up. So you need to play Santa first. Like I said, auto skip. So let's auto skip. Place 2 more Santas. Place Leprechaun right there. So, right there. Fast, close to the trap. Place to be laser there. So what to save for 2 more Santas. And then save for the laser after you do that. You can place your Santas anywhere, by the way. I just like to place mine there so I can get the toilet system to Santas first. You don't need to grab out the mouse, just grab out the units. You need to place Green Laser before Leprechaun. Now once you have enough for Green Laser, place it there first. And then once you place a Leprechaun, replace it right there. What I told you, please. Continue upgrading your Santas and Green Laser. You need to watch over the match if you were losing. Place Leprechaun once you have level 5 Santas, alright guys? Upgrade your Santas 1 by 1 so it's cheaper. I like to upgrade my Santas once. I don't have enough for the next upgrade for my other Santa. So guys, you actually need this kind of loadout to actually grind for endless ranks. I'm so sorry for the lag, by the way. I'm on a laggy phone. Don't mind that, I'm just slow, but I'm showing you guys this at the middle of the night, so that's why I'm quiet. So I'm gonna continue upgrading your Green Lasers. Once you place a Leprechaun, they place the so like over there. This is my gameplay right now. So once you have level 5 status, place your leprechaun right over there. And continue upgrading it. Upgrade it to level 2 before. And replace your cleaner over there. Get your leprechaun to level 3 before upgrading your status. Fully max your leprechaun before fully maxing your Santas. Place another leprechaun there once you max your leprechaun. Once you max your second leprechaun, place another one right next to it. Max your green laser once you max your Santos. Once you max your third leprechaun, make your leprechaun face towards you and place it like that behind your first leprechaun. And fully max upgrade it. Once you max get that leprechaun, place another one right next to it. Sorry if you're having problems placing it. Just need to be patient about placing it. Just need to place it right next to it. When you max upgrade it and max and place another max leprechaun right next to it. Like that. Once you max your leprechauns, continue to place the DJ speaker right over there. Right behind your fourth and fifth leprechaun. And max it out. And then place your announcer right next to it. Once you now max my sentence like you see. So guys, we're getting to the end of the video. Tell guys what to do. So continue to place leprechauns in the range of the boosters once they've been maxed in place. Place another leprechaun like this. You actually need 13,000 to fully max these Santas. So just save up for like $6,000 to $7,000 and sell one Santa. Wait for it to be on stand. Don't mind that again. I need to charge this, so I might end this video soon. Alright guys, so once you have fully maxed leprechauns on maxing displacement, so this is actually the end of the video. Bye bye.